two aircraft, a single-seat Vampire FB6, led by a two-seat Vampire T-55, both ex-Swiss Air Force aircraft. Smith bringing the Bearcat in over the threshold. Our attention, our full attention now about to turn to the Norwegian Vampires. Martin Wallace was a British aircraft, first flown 70 years ago this year. Its service in Norway was really notable, wasn't it?
Yes, it was very notable. Yes, it was. It came into the Norwegian Air Force as the first Norwegian jet fighter, and it was brought into the squadrons that actually were founded here in the UK during guys that had flown during the war. They preferred the Spitfire.
The aircraft was first known in fact as the Spider Crab when Havilland conceived it. They then changed it into the Vampire, and this very distinctive twin boom layout that you see on it was chosen to allow.
The Vampire is also made out of plywood, so in Norway it was called the wooden fighter. Something special, or if we want to promote something special, then we allow for people to The reason we use the Vampire and not the F-16 is solely the fact that we are not allowed to take public at the F-16. It's a very graceful aircraft to fly, and it's
fight bombers, including on counter-insurgency operations against Malayan terrorists. There was a night fighter variant as well. That was actually the first two-seat Vampire to be developed, and then came along the two-seat trainer, the T-11 as it was known to the RAF. And that was the first jet on which RAF pilots gained their wings. Gorgeous sound.
It's a very distinct sound from the Golden engine, especially.
So our thanks to Kenneth Orkisler and Per Strommen from the Norwegian Air Force Historical Squadron with their excellent Vampire pair. But now it's over to the RAF Tucano, right Lieutenant Dave Kirby. Kirby, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Ben. If you look out to your left-hand side, ladies and gentlemen, it's the 2013 Tucano display and Flight Lieutenant Andrew Filey Ray.